The recipe which we wish to share today is not just simple but also requires very few ingredients for its preparation. As it is quite famous, probably it doesn't need any introduction. But because we are from Mangalore, it is our humble desire to share this with all of you the way we prepare at our homes. Welcome back to another episode of Happy Cooking. Without any further ado, let us learn to prepare this famous and tasty Neer Dosa. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon. This helps, inspires and motivates us and also marks a good beginning to our friendship. The first ingredient required to prepare Neer Dosa is Dosa Rice. Here we have taken 1 cup or about 250 grams of Dosa Rice. Let us wash the rice till the water runs clean. And then it's a good idea to soak the rice overnight with clean drinking water. If you can't soak the rice overnight, let it soak at least for 5 hours. For the best results, we have soaked the rice overnight, and it is now time to grind this with the help of a mixer grinder. The most important ingredient for Neer Dosa is grated coconut. For every 1 cup of rice that we soak, we need half a cup of grated coconut. So here we are taking half a cup or 100 grams of grated coconut. And then let us add a little water and grind the rice as well as grated coconut into a fine paste. It is important to add very little water while grinding, because if we add more water, it will be difficult for rice to grind finely. We can dilute the mixture after grinding the ingredients into a fine paste. And by the way, we have used 500 ml of water for the recipe. The final ingredient to add is the king of taste, Mr. Salt. After adding the salt, let us stir the mixture thoroughly. Our easy, simple and well diluted Neer Dosa batter is ready. Before we start making these Neer Dosas, let us prepare a chutney that suits this dish. First, let us add half a cup of grated coconut to a bowl. To this, let us add a small piece of tamarind, a little asafoetida and a pinch of cumin seeds. The ingredient after these 3 ingredients is curry leaves. It is almost a tradition to add curry leaves because of the health benefits it has. After adding healthy curry leaves, let us add 6 green chillies to this. And it is a good idea to split the green chillies into halves. And now it is time to heat this mixture for 30 seconds in a microwave oven. The reason behind heating this is to get rid of the rawness of all the ingredients. You can slightly heat the ingredients on a pan if you don't prefer to use a microwave oven. After heating the ingredients for 30 seconds, let us allow the mixture to cool. After the mixture gets to a room temperature, let us grind this into a fine paste with the help of a mixer grinder. But before that, we have 2 important ingredients to add. The first is a pinch of sugar. Sugar helps to get rid of the bitterness of the ingredients that we have used. After sugar comes the king of taste, Mr. Salt. Add salt as per your taste. Let us add a little water to ease the process of grinding and then grind this into a fine paste. This is it, my dear friends. In no time, we have an apt chutney for Neer Dosa. And the time has arrived to prepare the hot and soft Neer Dosas. First, let us start by heating a dosa tawa. Once the tawa is hot enough, let us smear some coconut oil onto this. Usage of coconut oil is not just to enhance the flavors of Neer Dosa, but also to make it a healthy dish to be consumed. The experience of pouring the Neer Dosa batter onto the hot tawa is as exciting as the joy of consuming the prepared Neer Dosas. After pouring the batter onto the tawa, we have to cover a lid and allow this to cook for at least 30 seconds. Look at this, my dear friends. Our Neer Dosa is perfectly cooked. And now we have to delicately fold this as shown in the video. And this is it, my dear friends. Very easy, simple, tasty, healthy and famous Neer Dosa is ready. And now let us make the process of plating this even more satisfying. Because this can be consumed with variety of flavors. And the first one happens to be the chutney that we prepared. After the chutney comes a mixture of grated coconut and jaggery. It is in fact an amazing combo to be served with Neer Dosa. After this sweet mixture comes appe midi pickle. And by the way, anything with appe midi pickle is a match made in heaven. And the final combination is honey. And take my words, if you try this, you'll absolutely fall in love with this combination. If you liked this recipe, do give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking and have fun wherever you are.